Today I'm going to show you how to make a dodge the bombs game on Scratch. Okay, so I'll show you the game. This is the game, so you control the arrow with the mouse pointer and you have to dodge the bombs. So it gets harder and harder, and if you hit a bomb, so we hit this one that's coming up, if we hit one, then you lose, okay? So now I'll show you how to do it. So, this is the first one. I just got it off the internet. I just took a screenshot and then rubbed it out and made it look like this. And we also need a arrow. Okay, here we go. So we got the arrow. And we're gonna move it here. And then we're gonna go when green flag clicked, we're gonna show, and another when green flag clicked. We need a forever block, and then set mouse Y block. Set Y2, and then we're gonna get mouse Y in sensing. Okay, and then we need another when green flag clicked, forever, if go to sensing, touching, bomb, then we're gonna switch the backdrop to you lose, so make a backdrop called you lose. I've already made one. So we just need to go to switch backdrop to you lose, and then hide, and then we're gonna broadcast you lose. So make a broadcast called you lose. Alright, so then we're gonna broadcast you lose, and then we're gonna stop all. Okay, that's all the code for the arrow. Now we move on to the bomb. Okay, so the bomb code has when green flag clicked. We actually, so when green flag is clicked, forever, wait 1 second, change my variable by minus 0.0001. Okay, so you got to make a variable called best time, and then just keep the my variable. So we're gonna change my variable by minus. You could make it more if you wanted, but I like it quite small. And then we're gonna do when green flag clicked, show, and then when green flag clicked, we can just duplicate this actually. Just we need to change time by 1. Okay, and then we need a when green flag clicked forever. Create clone of myself. Then we're going to wait 3 seconds. And then we need a when clicked. When green flag clicked. We're going to set time to 0. And then we're gonna, let's just duplicate this. Take this away. So, if go to operations, time is more than the best time, then we're going to set best time to time. Okay, then when I start a clone, then we're going to go to get a go to block. We're going to make this 277, and this is going to be we're going to go operations again, pick random minus 280 to 280. Okay, then we're going to get a repeat block, and we're going to repeat 90 times. We're going to change x by 6. Minus 6. And then we're gonna wait, but we're gonna wait my variable, so my variable will change. Okay, then we're gonna delete this clone. Okay, and when clicked, when the green flag is clicked, we want to set my variable to 0.1. Okay, and then when I receive you lose, we're gonna hide. And that is all of the code, I think. Alright, let's try it. So we start it. The bomb moves. And if we hit it, you lose. So that is how to make a dodge the bomb game on Scratch.